Hi everyone, I'm Brock. So I want to introduce my development progress for the visual novel generator. So today I go through the whole workflow to fix bug number 47 when I collaborate with 3 agents. So the issue is that the feature works properly in localhost, but I fail to register new user when I use it at hongyi.ai, this public website. Firstly, I use Claude to analyze, to give a root cause analysis. So as you can see, it mentioned bug summary, diagnostic checklist, root cause analysis, affected files, what changes are needed, why changes are needed, potential negative impacts, test cases, step-by-step testing guidance. Alternative solutions considered, k-learnings, related files. So I didn't directly go into implementation after I received this root cause analysis. The second step I'm trying to do is that I ask Gemini to analyze the proposed solution. And here's a feedback given by Gemini. Risk, connecting localhost to production DB. Incomplete fix in database.py. Systematic issue, SQLite parity. And after I receive the second agent's review feedback, I go to the third agent, which is Codex. And based on the other 2 agents' perspective and Codex its own perspective, I asked it to propose an implementation plan. And then the step 4 is that I ask Codex to write the code. And after it write down the implementation result. That's not over. So after Codex write the code, step 5, I ask Gemini to do a code peer review. So code location, review focus, review results. So based on the review results, I talk with Codex again. So step 6, I will ask whether Codex agree with the peer review results or not. And in this situation, Codex agrees with it. So I ask Codex to keep fixing the bug. Step 7. Yeah, I guess that I can write down, so it will be easier. So step 1. Right, bug summary, and the reviewer and author is Claude. And step 2. Step 2 is solution peer review. And step 3, implementation plan. Step 4, implementation result. Step 5, code review. And here, author is Gemini 3. And step 6, because Codex agree with the comments in step 5, so step 6 will keep fixing the bug, and this is the implementation results. Step 7, peer code review again, and again, it gives some for the comments here. And I ask Codex, do you agree with it? And step 8, disagreement. So Codex doesn't agree with the peer code review section. And again, I would say talk with Gemini. Do you agree with the peer code review section? And step 9, and this time, finally, Codex and Gemini reach agreements. So the overall score looks pretty good. And it's closed. Right, so I can make a comment here. Case closed. So basically, this is how I try to fix a bug when I find some bugs. Yeah, it may not be very optimized, and I believe there are a lot of things I can improve. But this is currently how I want to make bug fixing as transparent as possible. And the reason why I don't parallelize it is because I hope that myself can manually review it for every step, rather than like a black box and it's wrong and I have no idea what's going on. So that's the main purpose. As a shortcoming, I think that for the shortcoming for this workflow strategy is very time consuming. To this bug, maybe it's only need to tens of lines of code change to fix this bug. But as you can see, I have around 300 of lines of documentation to track the whole back and forth communication history. And also it takes me, a human, roughly 2 hours to go through it. So it's really a lot of time commitment to go through this workflow. Yeah, I will keep thinking about how to improve this this workflow to make it more efficient. Thank you. Bye.